Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Shangarshanan Manivannan. I'm working as an support engineer in digital services. Today, I'm currently presenting you the navigating the digital landscape, empowering enterprises with ERP solutions. ERP means enterprise resource planning. So we are currently going to get a brief explanation about that. And today's agenda, I am going to explain about digital landscape and evolution of ERP and what are the key components and benefits and what are the challenges we are facing when implementing ERP and ERP implementation lifecycle and what are the future trends in ERP and one small demo. Um, First, let me explain the digital landscape. In the digital landscape, we are going to get to know what are the technologies advancements are there and what are the most important, why it's important to digital transformation and what are the challenges we are facing without digitalization, our companies, businesses, and what are the opportunities we are getting by digitalizing our business. So first, rapid technological advancements. Over the past decades, there are many technologies innovations are happening, and those are helpful for running the businesses. So let's just say cloud computing, AI, IoT, and big data analysis creates new possibilities running a business. The digital transformation is no longer optional in this era, competitive era. So it must be a must to make a digital transformation. And important in digital transformation is like integrating the digital processes, digital technologies into the business processes fundamentally change how you operate and deliver value to customer. Competitive by improving customer service, optimization, business operations, and fostering innovations also. And what are the challenges we are expecting if you are not digitalizing the business? Are increased data complexity. That means without digitalization, you are getting numerous data, explosive data from IoT and social medias, other resources, and you are collecting everything and organizing that and syncing it to the data is the most complex thing in the world. So the complexity by integrating with the digital service, digital transformation, you can get a better idea of how to run a business. And next one is need for real-time decision making. Let's say you are running a business and you are ordering something. That means you are an employee and you are requesting something from the your higher up, and you like digital process and data processing, and it's going to the higher up. It even takes for 2 days, 3 days, or hours. Many hours it will take many hours. So to reduce that cost, we have uh, getting appointed with digitalization for the business. And what are the opportunities we are facing is improved efficiency. Uh, for instance, automated workflows, AI digital driven analytics, and IoT enabled monitoring can drastically reduce the time, reduce manual error, and also reduce resources required to complete various business operations. So it's also by reducing the errors, and also it's also beneficial for the customer experience. So like getting the AI and machine learning and analyze customer behavior and preference to provide tailored recommendation and support. We are getting that from digitalize our business. So next I'm going to talk about evolution of ERP. Actually, ERP in the early stages, that means the 1960s, it's called as MRP, Material Resource Planning. In the early years, it was only for use for producing and delivering goods for the customers, like management, material, sorry, managing inventory and producing manufacturing efficiency. Only maintaining for these only in the 1960s they have created the MRP, Material Resource Planning. And following that, in the 1990, they also added extra manufacturing features and also finance and human resources. In the 1990, it evolved into ERP, and system became a more comprehensive, integrating all facets of an enterprise's operations, including procurement, production, distribution, and beyond all that. In the modern ERP, the modern ERP, we are not only going through with manufacturing, but we are also included the finances, human resources, and CRM, customer resource management. So by including that, we are uh, including various business across the nation, across the organization, not only manufacturing and supply chain management, but also we are integrating with finance, human resources, customer relationship management. And this integration ensures the data flows seamlessly across departments, enabling collaboration, reducing data silos, and enhancing efficiency. For example, an order placed by a customer can automatically trigger the finance, inventory, and the production system without manual intervention. That means without we are doing, if the customer ordered, it will automatically trigger the finance and uh, inventory systems. And what are the support now for for the digital transformation? The support technologies now we are going to we are using a cloud computing, AI, and data analytics and IoT. And next is I'm going to key components of ERP. If you take the key components, actually there are more modules in the system like post managements and sales, purchase, everything are coming. But most core modules are finance and accounting, human resources, supply chain management, manufacturing, and customer relationship management. This is CRM. So in the finance and accounting, we are tracking all the financial transactions, and by tracking all the financial transactions, we can do the general ledger and account payable, account receivable, and financial reports as well. By getting the real-time financial reporting, it can allow the management to quickly assess the financial health and make necessary decision for the company. And the human resources, it's manage all the aspects of the employee informations like personal details and benefits administrations, recruitment, their training, and their performance management, and of course we can forward the payroll as well. So uh, in the seamless HR process, it improves the data management and enhances recruitment uh, retention efforts as well. And supply chain management, it oversees procurement of raw materials, inventory management, order processing, logistics, and supply chain planning. It enhances the visibility across the supply chain, improves inventory accuracy, and optimizes procurement and logistic operations. The manufacturing plans and monitor production schedules and manage work orders, tracks manufacturing process, and ensures quality control. And by doing this, it can improve the product efficiency and reduce the waste, and also ensures the product, make the product quality as well. So in the customer relationship management, it handles all the relationship with the customer like marketing and customer service and support. It enhances the customer satisfaction, improves the process, and provides insight into customer behavior and preference. What we are going to see next is benefits of the ERP. Actually, in the ERP, by digitalizing your business by using the ERP solutions, you can have efficiency and productivity. and you can also get the real-time data and cost savings and customer service as well. In the efficiency and productivity, we can say it gives two major benefits like automated task routing and streamlined business process. What you are, if you're asking what is automated task routine is, ERP system automate many routine and repetitive tasks such as data entry and payroll processing and order tracking. By doing this, it reduces the burden of the people and minimizes the risk of human errors as well. The streamlined business process, by integrating various business functions into single system, ERP solution streamline workflows and improve process efficiency. This ensures that information is really accessible across departments, eliminating bottlenecks and delays. That means by in the business process, without any getting delays like from the finance to inventory or inventory to purchase. So everything we can do without any bottleneck and delays. Real-time data, like I said before, by getting the real-time financial issues like hourly reports, weekly reports, or monthly reports, we can know what is our company's currently is. So by making a real-time data and real-time, let's also say just looking at the inventory, we need something, so we have to make it as a purchase. So the ERP, if you are having ERP system, it will automatically produce the automatic purchase request. So when we are going to do that, so it hates the it hates uh, the enhanced decision making capabilities also. And cost saving is the ERP system help organizations identifies and optimize their operation that can lead to significant cost saving through best resource management, reduce waste and lower administration expenses. Um, so, without unnecessary things, we can reduce the management cost, and we can also do the great things with that. That's the cost saving here. And the customer service, it can ERP system enhance customer service by providing united view customer interactions of and transaction. This enable faster response and for the inquiries and issues for the customers. That means if you are the customer is getting an issue and rather than looking into it now, so we are getting 2 days and 3 days delays, so it will get customer unsatisfaction. So to improve that situation, the customer service we can do the time to time uh, resolving the issue. We can get the ERP, sorry, improve customer satisfaction and time also. And next time I'm going to explain is what are the challenges and in implementing ERP. Uh, while implementing ERP, we can face common challenges like cost overruns, resistance to change, integration issues, and data security. By overcome To overcome that, we have strategies like planning, change management, ERP selections. In the cost overruns, let's say the company is planning 2 lakh for the ERP system, but by without planning, we are getting 2 lakh as a budget. But when we are doing the work, it improves. We need to include some additional softwares and additional customizations, so additional resources and expanding time also. So if we do that, the cost will increase dramatically. So to reduce that, we have to make a planning. So by planning, we get a detailed project planning is essential to anticipate and manage potential challenges. And we can also create a team, project team, and we can also include the stakeholders for better view of the company, and we can make a better planning to reduce the cost overruns. And residential challenge means when an employee is working in a company for 4 years with the same workflow, suddenly you are going to say we are changing to another software, another ERP system, and they will resist that. So like or else you are improving your business and you need to change a different ERP and the employee is resisting to that. So that will the big challenge for us also. To reduce the challenge, we have to change management. That means we have to give continuous training and we have to tell them what are the benefits we are coming like in the previously I said by making the customer satisfaction, we can get more income. If we more income, we can get the on-time payment for employees. So these are the we can tell those things and we can get the employees work as well. And for the integration issues, let's say you are working with the already ERP system, already known ERP system, but you are going to advance that. That means you are going with a new one. So if you are going with a new one, um, it you have to check whether both are incompatible or not. So like incompatible, you have to check the both between incompatible with the ERP system and legacy application. So you have to check those things. Or else it will significant implementation delay and take additional customization also. So for the data security, you are transferring your sensation documents to one ERP to another ERP. So it can be a hard work or challenge to face on the situations. So it can be a it can be as a security breach and have severe consequences as well. To get that, you have to get a ERP selection. To get the ERP selection, you have to manage ERP selectors, you have to select a tailor-made ERP solution for you. That means which ERP solution is suitable for you, or which can be suitable for the company, and which can be usable for every employee, and what are the future developments you are going to face, and you have to think about those things, and you have to make a ERP selection. In the next one is I'm going to explain the ERP implementation lifecycle. Actually, there are many phases in creating an ERP implementations. First, you have to make a planning, and second, system selection. Third one is design and configuration and testing, uh, training, going live, and support and maintenance. In the planning process, you have to initial phase involves defining the scope, objective, and goals of the ERG project. It includes identifying key stakeholders, forming a project team, and developing a comprehensive project team. Why it's important is by creating a solid foundation by planning, you can ensure all team members understand their roles and the project objectives, and reducing the risk, scope, and misunderstanding also. From this page, you can face a challenge like lack of your goals and inadequate stakeholder involvement and underestimating the resources and time required for that. In the system selection, you have to select a organization or ERP vendors or ERP solutions which is suitable for your company by selecting without the they say system selection is the basement, and when the foundation is built, next one is basement. So we have to build a better basement as well. So we have to select the better ERP solution which is suitable for our company. But choosing this, we can go on our work as easily as well. So in the designing, let's say we are the designing with the workflow. What are the workflow the currently is currently going on? So we have to go through that designing, that workflow design. So to maintain that, we have to create the same workflow to ensure that employees and others who are working in the ERP system understand that. To make sure, so for this thing, you have to ask for every employees what are the workflows, and we have to we understand what are the workflows going on in the companies and what are the things we need to do. So after confirming everything, we have to make a design as well. And configuration customization, here we are creating user roles and including database and everything, like pricing and everything. Let's say you are going a retail shop, so you have to include the products and their prices. And if you are purchasing, then you have to get the vendor. You have to include vendor information and every details. In the testing, after configuration, we are testing the company how it runs. For a short while, we will test it is going okay or not, the workflow is correct or not. By testing here, we can make sure that our workflow is currently going well. And for the training, without training the employees and the person who making the work in the ERP system, so without their support, so we can't do the work. So we have to make uh, we have to make a training for them to make sure they can understand every details and workflows going in the ERP system. So here we can change it. Here is the chance we can face the challenges like employees resisting and they don't understand. So something like similar things will happen. So make sure we have to get a give a better training on that period. And going live, after confirming everything, we can go live. After normally, then after that we can normally do our works, like after getting some training and everything, we can normally work on that flow. So that phase is currently we can do the work while we are at it. And next one is the most important one: support and maintenance. After completing ERP system, if we not maintain and update the data some consequently, then you will face a bigger problem like uh, the updated data and current data are not uh, matching, and those things are happening. So those kind of things, if you are afraid those kind of will happen, then make sure you have to maintain the software based on the updates, and you also get the support from the ERP vendor who went you that. So make sure to get a support and maintenance for that. Next, I'm going to get a future trends in ERP. Let's say what are the features we are facing in the ERP. So like when we are facing facing the software, sorry, technologies are cloud-based ERP and AI, artificial intelligence ERP and IoT ERP and mobile app ERP applications. In the cloud ERP, it's hosted on the internet than on-premise. Offering scalability, flexibility, and remote access, they allow business to easily scale their operation without significant upfront investment in hardware. That means for cloud based ERP, you can use it from anywhere. Same goes for the mobile ERP application as well. By using the cloud ERP, it can be easily flexible for you to get the data from anywhere you are. For the artificial intelligence, it's we use for customer experience. That means what are the customers are currently purchasing and what are the things they are using. So the current trend, you can maintain the current trend from there. And for the IoT also, IoTs ERP also, you are getting the current trend. Like what are the customers currently are purchasing and what are the trend currently going on. So that's all for the presentation from my part. I hope you guys enjoyed um, my presentation. Thank you for listening. And yeah, please give us your feedback as well in that form. Thank you so much.